Namaste students, today our topic is horizontal agreements under competition law. Horizontal agreements are those between competitors that is entities at the same level of distribution. Vertical agreements are those between parties on different levels of the chain of distribution, such as between a manufacturer and a distributor or between a wholesaler and a retailer. Agreements though which retained are imposed between competitors have traditionally been denominated as horizontal agreements, and those imposed by agreement between firms and different levels of distribution as vertical agreements. Horizontal agreements can prompt violation of competition law because such agreements may include clauses which restrict competition. It can be said that all anti-competitive effects are of necessity horizontal, since all competition is horizontal, but that such horizontal effects can result from either horizontal or vertical agreement. Typology of horizontal agreements. There can be innumerable ways in which market players interact and conduct their business in a market. Concern in form of horizontal agreements can take various forms. It is pertinent to discuss here the major ways in which market players indulge in horizontal anti-competitive agreements. Price fixing agreements, through which the companies mutually set the price that they want to charge in the market, are called price fixing agreements. Imagine a market where four firms manufacturing cement agree to sell their products at a fixed price, although sometimes a slight increase in the price of each product hardly matters to a consumer. Such price fixing will ultimately generate huge profits for the fraudsters. Other types of price fixing agreements include agreements that jointly predetermine the size of profit margin, the extent of discounts, and the level of price increase. Price fixing agreements can take various forms, including the following: agreement on price increase, agreement to adhere to published price, agreement not to sell unless it is on the agreed price terms, agreement on a standard pricing formula, agreement regarding providing, eliminating, or establishing mention provide discount, agreement on credit terms that will be offered to customers, agreement to eliminate goods and services offered at low price from the market, thereby limiting supply and raising the prices, agreement between cartel members not to change or reduce, as is evident from the nature, and change or reduce price without notifying each other, as evident from the nature and objective of the price fixing agreement described above. Such horizontal anti-competitive agreements are aimed at furthering the goal of members of the cartel of earning huge profits at the expenses of the consumers. Market sharing. Another common horizontal agreement among competitors is market sharing. There are also called market allocation and market division agreements. Under such agreements, the competitors agree to divide among themselves specific territories, customer, or products. Such market allocating action are restrictive in nature because they leave no room for competition in the market. For example, an agreement among competitors to allot certain customers to particular sellers and to allocate to or divide sale territories would be anti-competitive. Bidding take place where bidders and keep the bid amount at a predetermined level. Such predetermination is by way of intentional manipulation by the members of the bidding group. Bidders could be actual or potential ones, but they